student, today my topic is mechanism of enzyme. In 1894, Fisher suggests a lock and key mechanism to explain the working of an enzyme as a catalyst. Enzyme as a catalyst. Both are the just speed up the reaction or alter the reaction or decrease the reaction. Catalyst is work in outside of the body and enzyme work inside of the body. So according to the lock and key mechanism, an enzyme catalyzed reaction involves the following step. The first step is to binding the enzyme, that is E, to the substrate, that is S. Substrate is what? The food. An enzyme which we have inside our body. So they just bind itself to the substrate to form the enzyme substrate complex. For example, if there is an enzyme inside your body, this is the enzyme and this is the food which you eat, so both get combined and make enzyme substrate complex. Next step is product formation in the complex, such as if enzyme substrate combine together, then substrate becomes the product because it get digested with the help of enzyme. Otherwise our body take millions of years to digest one meal, as you have studied before. Now third step is release the product from the enzyme. If the product is formed, now your food get digested in waste product is formed, then product just leave the enzyme from itself and get discarded from the body. Just like this. This is the lock and key method. This is the substrate, the food you eat, and this is the cavity where active site. It is known as active site. The cavity is known as active site. It is reside in the enzyme, and when they just combine together, the substrate become departed or get digested with the help of enzyme, and product is formed after that and released from the body. The enzyme molecule processes some active site, that is cavities, and on its surface. These active sites are responsible for the binding reactant molecule to the enzyme. The active site of given enzyme is so shaped that only the specified substrate can be fit into it. The same way as only one key open as a particular lock. This specific binding leads to the formation of an enzyme substrate. In this complex, the substrate molecule are placed in the right orientation, which not only facilitate the occurrence of the reaction but also enhance the rate of reaction tremendously. After facilitates the proper orientation, the substrate molecule react to form the enzyme product. The product achieving the proper orientation, the orientation is must, that is to set itself in the cavity. The substrate molecule react to form the enzyme product. The product molecules sitting on the surface of the enzyme have no affinity for the enzyme and leave the surface of the enzyme as soon as they are formed. The surface of the enzyme molecule again become free to bind the fresh substrate molecule. Now my question is for today, what is mechanism of enzyme? Thank you.